Hey friends, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I haven't posted anything on YouTube. I was super busy in my own personal life and I was trying to figure out when will I be able to edit a YouTube video. Can you imagine? Shorts are pretty easy, but YouTube video takes so much of time. But without talking much, I'm just going to jump on the eye look. Go get your orange eye pencil. If you don't have one, buy it. Just kidding. You can use brown eye pencil as well. But I used an orange pencil from Maybelline and used in my underwater line. And I went in with a not brown, see? That's what's happened. Orange eyeshadow on my upper eyelid using a small blending brush from Morphe. Now, why we are using small blending brush? Because that's what was clean with me. Just kidding. Small blending brush gives you more precision, more control, and more clean blending. I know I'm blabbering a lot because I'm so excited to edit this video because finally we are coming with this video after so many days. So yes, quickly jump on with an orange eyeshadow, blend it all over your eyelid. Technically use the same shadow which you have used in your waterline. So if you are using brown pencil, go with brown eyeshadow. Now you can see I went in with orange and I'm taking a light brown eyeshadow to blend on my crease line. There is a patch on my eyeshadow which I can see, and I remember when I was recording this video I was not happy with that patch and I kept on blending and I haven't recorded that part because it took me a while to blend that shadow because I did a mistake which you should not. And what's that? Whenever you take an eyeshadow, just tap off the axis. I think I was lazy. I just went in and put it on my eye and got that patch, but I blended. You can see how pretty it's looking now. And then I went with a matte eyeshadow, white matte eyeshadow in my brow bone area. And then I went in with this beautiful gold shimmer and look at the brush. Oh my God, this brush is a blessing. You know why? I don't have to use my finger anymore and I can go in with this sponge brush from Morphe because it is so good with shimmers and glitters and pigments. And I loved blending this gold shimmer with this brush because I could see my fingers are still clean. Anyways, you can go with your finger as well and pack this shimmer, blend it. I just went in with more shimmer just to give a beautiful eye look. And then I went in with this lovely black eyeshadow using a small brush. What type of brush? This is a flat brush. Flat brush gives you more control for liner so that you can create a beautiful eyeliner even if you don't know how to. So girls, go buy a flat brush for your eyeliner, and I'm using an eyeshadow. Nobody can tell you it's an eyeshadow. I am telling you because eyeshadow gives you that beautiful soft look. So go with an eyeshadow and use a kohl pencil in your waterline. I am using, I think, Maybelline or Rimmel. I don't remember, but I ended up blending that kohl in my waterline. Went in with Maybelline Sky High Mascara, so lovely and amazing. Went in with my She Glam lashes because that's what I can afford. Just kidding. She Glam lashes are really give a lot of variety. They're really good. So I went in with those and just applied a little bit of more shimmer on my lid. And ta-da! That's such a beautiful look. Please try it. You will love this eye look. I'm telling you, anybody can do it, and especially for brides. Oh my God, this is the best. Go subscribe my channel.